These buttered roast potatoes coated in garlic, Italian herbs and Parmesan cheese make for the most epic side dish you'll ever see. Crispy and golden on the outside and fluffy on the inside, you just won't believe how good these taste and how easy they are to make. So to start, first we're going to boil the potatoes. Now, I always salt the water mainly for seasoning, but also salted water boils quicker, so it saves you some time as well. So for the potatoes, I'm using 8 Royal Blue potatoes. I really love Royal Blues. They are an excellent all-rounder potato to have in the pantry. They roast, they mash and boil well. Plus, they have this yellow flesh which has a slightly sweeter flavour, which I really enjoy. Now just place them in whole and boil them for 10 minutes, and the skins will start to lose their colour and they'll still be undercooked, but that's okay because we'll be roasting them later on and that will finish the cooking. So drain them and leave them to cool slightly, or when you can handle them without burning yourself, and cut them into quarters or more if the potato is large, and just leave them aside. Now onto the coating. Into a bowl, add in 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, and then add in 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, followed by 1 tablespoon of dried mixed Italian herbs. You can find these in the stores. They're basically just a mixture of marjoram, basil, rosemary, oregano, parsley, and thyme. And then I add in 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, followed by 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now give these a really good mix around, and what you'll notice is the oil will start to suck into the Parmesan cheese, but don't worry, that's normal. And then add in the diced boiled potatoes, and I drizzle them with a little bit more extra olive oil on the top, and then I add in 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Now the butter just gives the potatoes an amazing richness that takes these potatoes from good to great. Mix everything around and you can be as rough as you want to be with these potatoes, because the more you rough them up, the better the crunch will be on the outside flesh. And that's because when roasting, all these little imperfections will roast more on the surface, making them super crunchy. And place them on a lined baking tray, spread them out, and then place the tray into a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit and roast them for 30 to 35 minutes. At around 20 minutes, I take them out quickly and I turn them so they get evenly roasted on all sides. And then they're done. Drain off any excess oil from the tray and place the potatoes in your serving bowl. You can see those glorious roasted skins with Parmesan hanging off them like barnacles on a ship's hull. Now you can elevate this to a whole new level by adding in some crispy onions, some cooked bacon. It's totally up to you. But let me know in the comments what you'd put in extra, or what dish you think this would be best suited to pair up with. If you love this video, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already so you never miss any of my recipes. And as always, thank you so much for watching.